Hello friends, today's video, today markets down by 1.5%, 5 reasons. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra, purpose of the video is financial education of society. As expected and mentioned in yesterday's breaking news, Nifty 50 index were down 1.5% today. Mid and small cap indices were down only around 0.8% today. After the uptrend in the last 2 weeks, once again markets have become weak. The following are the main reasons for the market weaknesses in India and globally. Number one, Trump's reciprocal tariff plan. Since yesterday, global markets have been weak due to the expected implementation of Trump's reciprocal tariffs on April 2. He has termed it Liberation Day for the US. The US President has already imposed levies on key trade partners including Canada, Mexico and China. The US is also considering additional tariffs on automobiles, steel, aluminium, copper, pharmaceuticals, semiconductors, and lumber, that means wood. Markets will be waiting for details of Trump's reciprocal tariff. The actual impact on various sectors and countries will become clear after the announcement. Reason number two, recession risk in US. Goldman Sachs has increased the probability of a US recession to 35% from its earlier estimate of 20%. It believes that there will be a negative impact of US tariffs on US economy as well. There are also concerns of a possible recession in the European Union, which would further impact global investor sentiment. Third reason, rise in crude oil prices. International crude oil prices jumped by 1.5% to almost $75 per barrel. This is likely to have some negative impact on India's import bill. Rising crude prices usually has an impact on the Indian economy and stock markets. 4. Profit booking after recent rally. Nifty had rallied by almost 6% for the last 8 trading days. Traders must be booking profits due to the uncertainty effect of Donald Trump's tariffs on global economy. Last week, Nifty had reached a level where calendar year 2025 was positive. However, after today's fall, Nifty is trading below the level since on January 2025. Fifth reason, FIIs selling on Friday. FIIs have been net buyers continuously for many days. However, on Friday, they became net sellers again worth rupees 4,300 crores. There is a good chance that they were the net sellers today too. FIIs buying is very important for markets to rally and sustain. Nifty continues to trade below 200 DMA of 24,082. With today's fall, it has come closer to the 30 DMA of 22,820. Nifty is just 1.5% above 30 DMA. As such, until Nifty crosses its 200 DMA and there is sustained buying by FIIs, our markets may trade in the same range for some more time. The current situation is very favorable for long-term investors but not very suitable for short-term traders since there is no continuous uptrend from many months. End of the video, here is the question. By when do you think Nifty can cross its lifetime high of around 26,200? A. Within 2 months. B. 2 to 4 months. C. More than 4 months. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.